Wow, it's raining hard out here. It's a good thing I have my umbrella. Hopefully it won't rain for too long.
Achoo. Sniff. Ugh. Brrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr.
What in the chaos was that? And who's that guy? He looks like a wolf. But he looks cold and weak. I better go check it out.
Ugh. It's so cold and rainy out here. I think I'm getting sick. I should have brought an umbrella with me. Ugh. Huh? Who's that coming?
Hey. Excuse me, sir? Are you all right? You look like you've caught a cold. Are you okay?
Huh? Who are you? I don't think we've met before. And you remind me of my rival Fox. Tell me your name at once.
Okay then. My name is Fiona. And I'm a fox. And I'm a villain just like you. And who might you be?
Oh, me? Name's Wolf. I am the leader of Team Star Wolf. It's a pleasure to meet you, Fiona. Cough cough. Ugh.
Oh my. Are you all right?
Does it look like I'm all right? No. I'm freezing cold, and it's super rainy out here. I think I'm sick. Oh, Fiona, please do something. Anything. Ugh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Just calm down. I'll take you to the doctor's right away. Just please settle down.
Sigh. Sorry about my outburst there. I'm just in a bad mood because I'm sick. I apologize.
It's okay, Wolf. Now let's get you to that doctor's office ASAP. Follow me, please.
Wow. So many patients today. Oh, here comes another one.
Hello, doctor.
Oh. Hello there. I'm Dr. Toadie, and I'll be your doctor today. So Miss Fiona, who is this, and what's wrong with him?
Well, Dr. Toadette, this is Wolf. He's not feeling well. He told me that he's sick. Can you take a look at him, please?
Of course I can. They don't call me Dr. Toadette for nothing. Okay, Wolf. First I'm gonna check your heart and lungs. Take deep breaths. Ah, good. Alright, your heart and lungs sound fine. Okay, now I'm gonna check your eyes and ears. Hold still please. Okay, your eyes are a little bloodshot, and you have a little ear infection. Okay, now I'll check your throat. Open wide please. Ooh, your throat is really red. Okay, now I'll check your blood pressure. It'll be a little tight, but it'll only be for a few seconds. Here I go.
Ooh. This feels tight. Ack.
It's okay, Wolf. Just stay still. I'm right here.
Okay, your blood pressure is fine. Okay, now I'll take your temperature. Hold still. Okay, let's see here. Oh my. Wolf has a high fever. The thermometer says that he has a temperature of 103.
Whoa. That's high.
What? Impossible. Is it that bad?
It's a little serious, but let me take a look at Wolf's results to see what diagnosis he has. I'll be right back.
Ugh. Fiona, I feel so weak. I just hope it's nothing bad.
Relax, Wolf. Don't get so worked up. We just have to wait and see. I'm pretty sure it's just a bad cold. Nothing too big.
Okay, I'm back. So I checked Wolf's results, and he has caught a bad cold because of the freezing rain. So he has to take it easy for a few weeks until he's fully recovered.
Ugh. I knew it. No wonder why I feel so weak and cold. And a little sleepy too.
Don't worry, Wolf. It's completely normal. Fiona, make sure that Wolf gets plenty of rest, and make sure that his fever doesn't get worse. If his fever doesn't go down in the next couple of days, come back to me so we can do something for it.
Okay. Got it. Thank you, Dr. Toadette.
You're welcome. And here's some medicine for Wolf. I'll see you both next time. Be careful of the rain.
Okay. Bye. Hey, Wolf. Would you like me to take you to RKG's apartment so you can get some rest? Don't worry, I'll tell Scourge, Sasha, and Rosie about what happened.
Yes, please, Fiona. And thanks. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, new friend. Hee hee.